These 10 seller Amp SAS tricks made us faster, more profitable, and 90% of sellers miss them. Let me show you. We used to waste hundreds, if not thousands of dollars buying the same product twice. It sounds stupid, but it happens all the time. So now, every time we analyze a deal, Seller Amp shows us if we're already on that listing. How do we fix it? We go into settings, we add our seller ID, and from then onwards, we're going to see our own offers on the sales listing, our price, position, and everything directly inside the app. Now wait until you see trick number 5. This one exposes just how wrong your real margins can be, and once you factor this in, it changes the game. Are you still using your calculator to work out discounts? Well, stop doing that. Seller Amp can do calculations right inside the application. How do you do it? Well, in the cost price or in the sale price, you could just type in the calculation, 25 times 0.8, hit enter, and boom, it's done. Now, if you haven't already bought SAS, make sure you use my code FastTrackSAS to get 50% off your first month. See the link in the description with the code to use. Are you tired of scrolling back up the Seller Amp application every time you want to change the sale price in Seller Amp? You can actually change it instantly just by clicking on any number on the Seller Amp application, and you can easily set a new sale price. So for example, right here, we've got $91.99. I can scroll down. I can go to prices, I can click on the buy box 101, and when I scroll back up again, that price is now changed. Are you doing Amazon flips? Maybe in the European Union, or if so, stop opening up 5 tabs to compare all the different prices. Seller Amp can show you all of the marketplaces in one view. All you've got to do is just enable European marketplace in settings, and now every product loads with all European prices on show, and you can even click to update one, and it will update your profits instantly. Now, if you're finding this useful and you actually want to go faster in your Amazon business, here are 3 ways I can help you. First, if you want hands-on guidance, I offer one-to-one coaching, just you and me working directly in your business to solve the specific problems that are holding you back. Number 2, if you want to be part of a serious group of sellers, check out our Amazon FBA community. We run weekly live calls, training sessions, and have full course material that will take from 0 to 10K per month, plus a really supportive group of other sellers. And right now, there's a free 7-day trial, so you can jump in and see if that's for you. And third, if you're still getting started and just want a shortcut, you can grab my top 100 suppliers list for both the USA and the UK. It's packed with real suppliers where you can actually find profitable products today, all the retail suppliers that we've used in the past. All the links are in the description down below. Check them out after this video. Are you still using fixed costs for your shipping and prepped? That could be killing your profit accuracy. Now, Seller Amp can allow you to export and track your real shipping costs per pound, and then you can compare them to the invoices you're actually being charged. So now you know every product's true cost and how it affects your margin. How to do it? In your SAS export settings, try and include columns for prep cost and shipping cost per pound or per kilogram in Europe. And what I like to do is add an extra blank column for any extra fees I have. And now I add up those 3 columns and I send the cost of the product and then the additional costs, such as the prep and the shipping and that additional column, to my P&L software. And now I know what my real numbers are, not just estimates. Okay, what I'll say now is wait until you see trick number 9. It took our refund rate down from 8.7 to 3.7, and we haven't looked back since doing this hack. Are you still wasting time re-entering your buy cost into Seller Amp when reviewing old deals? Well, the solution is you can actually pass through the URL when you load up any product, the buy price or even the sell price that you want, and Seller Amp will automatically fill that into the calculator for you. Now, how do we do it? In Google Sheets, just add to the end of any Amazon URL, SAS_cost_price equals whatever the buy price is. And then if you want the sell price, add to as well, SAS_sell_price equals whatever your sell price is. Now for me, I like to use the cost price, and then I'll let Seller Amp use the current market price as the sell price. Now open that link and boom, both prices are going to automatically show within the Seller Amp application, saving you so much time. Saving Seller Amp cost prices is amazing and it saves so much time. But if you're like me, I don't like dragging down formulas. So how can I save even more time? Well, one way you can stop doing this is by using array formulas, because it will now allow you to update every single row that you create every single time. Just fill in your Google Sheet with the following formula that I'll put on the screen, where you include the column where it's got the ASIN, which is A to A, and then SAS price, B to B. That's it. Really simple. Put that in the very first column of C. Now every new row creates a ready to go SAS URL. No dragging, no manual updates, saving you so much time. Are you still manually hunting for deals? Well, stop doing that, because within SellerAmp, even if you don't pay for it, you still have access to Arbitrage Hero, and it finds suppliers to you automatically. Now, even if you're not paying for Arbitrage Hero, you still get 10 free searches a month, and all you got to do is open up the SellerAmp panel, scroll down and hit source, and let it find the suppliers to you which are near the target price of the product you're sourcing for. It's sourcing on autopilot. Are you still opening 5 different applications to figure out your refund rate? Well, stop doing that. You can simply connect Seller Toolkit, which is a profit and loss software you can use. I'll drop a link in the description, to SellerAmp. And what it's going to do is it's going to show you not only your stock, but also your refund rate on sales right there as you source every single ASIN. How do you do it? You just link your accounts once, and then every time you analyze a product, you're going to see your sales, your refund rate, and so much more automatically. Now, I don't know about you, but we've all heard the horror stories about VAs. And if you're worried your VA isn't working enough, stop guessing. All you've got to do is open up SellerAmp's web app, and then you can go into history and you can check the first and last searches of the day, and then multiply that by the number of pages to see how many searches they've actually done. And instantly you're going to see how many deals they've been looking at, and also how much time they've been in for. This is basically time tracking built in for free. So now you know how to use SellerAmp properly with all the top tips and tricks, but the real magic happens when you understand actually how to use SellerAmp with Keeper, and how to actually analyze deals, not just to judge the right price, but even how many units to buy. That's what I do, and I break it all down in this video right here, so go and check that out. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, hit subscribe, and follow me for more Amazon FBA tips actually make you money. Thank you very much.